Are you on the lookout for a reliable Paco pump repair service? We at Pump Products have all the equipment and the personnel to keep your pumps in the high-performance zone. We offer repair and replacement parts for all Paco pump series, including the KP series, LC series, LCS series, LF series, VL series, and VLS series. We have the complete assortment of genuine replacement parts for all kinds of Paco pumps, including effluent pumps, split-coupled pumps, end suction pumps, close-coupled pumps, inline pumps, centrifugal pumps, submersible water pumps, sewage pumps, sump pumps, frame-mounted pumps, vertical mount pumps, multi-stage pumps, base-mounted pumps, split-case pumps, vertical spacer miser pumps, booster pumps. The Paco Pump Parts and repair kits comprise pump flanges, centrifugal pump parts, water pump parts, pump repair kits, seal kits, pump motors, pump impellers, mechanical seals, pump shafts, pump bearings, gaskets, pump wear rings, and rotating assemblies. Pump Products is a leading Paco Pumps online pump repair parts dealer, servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Needed now? We offer fast shipping with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Paco Pumps and Parts. Visit us at www.pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.